Welcome to example number 4. We have a velocity time graph provided for an object that is moving in a straight path, and we're asked to find the average acceleration during 0 to 5 seconds, then 5 to 15 seconds, and then 0 seconds all the way to 25 seconds. And then we're asked to find the instantaneous acceleration at 5 seconds, 12 seconds, and 20 seconds. So, throughout this whole thing, we're going to be finding the acceleration, which is the change in velocity all over the change in time, which is basically this slope of graph. So let's go on to A. We're looking for the average acceleration, which means you're taking the acceleration between 2 points. So we start off at 0 seconds. We look at our point. Oh, there it is right there. There's 0 seconds. And then 5 seconds. So let's go ahead and find the slope of this line. And that would give you a total rise of 8 meters per second over a time interval of 5 seconds, which gives you an answer of 1.6 meters per second squared. And now from 5 seconds to 15 seconds, that's this point right here, let's draw the line that we need to take a slope of. There's our line, and now let's draw a triangle for our slope. And we're going to be doing a rise of 8 meters per second over a time interval of 10 seconds. And plugging into our definition for acceleration, we get an answer of 0.8 meters per second squared. And lastly, from a point of 0 seconds, right here at where it's negative 8 meters per second, to the final velocity at 25 seconds, it's 0 here. And we're doing the slope of this line. And we have a run of 25 seconds and a rise of 8 meters per second, which gets you an answer of 0.32 meters per second squared. So now let's move on to getting the instantaneous velocity. So we're going to be looking at the instantaneous velocity at specific instants in time. So I'll call this t sub 1 at 5 seconds. So right here, what is the instantaneous velocity? So we need to take the line that is tangent to this point, which is really this line right here. And this gives you an answer of 1.6 meters per second squared, the same answer that we got earlier. Next is right here, what is the instantaneous velocity? Here we're taking the slope along that line, which is 0, because it's a horizontal line. And then we're looking at 20, which is about here, and we're going to be taking the slope along here now. And so our final answer here will give us negative 0.8 meters per second squared. And that's it for example number 4.